Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme GT Master Edition, and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one is using a secret code and the second is using the settings, and of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with the quickest way to check those numbers. Let's open the dialer, tap on the keypad and enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also, after scrolling down, a serial number of this device. So let me tap on OK and let me show you another way to check those numbers, and you can use it if for some reason the secret code won't work. So let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. Now we have to tap on the status here, and as you can see we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, and of course we've got the serial number here. So actually this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Realme GT Master Edition. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.